Today I'm setting up my little Belen. So it's not done yet. No light. So it's a plainly DIY Noel. So that's how our roof it works. And this is made out of paper. And I cut a cartoon to make it like this. And my three kings. So it's not done. We need a light.